Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a tutorial on this look today. Something a little fun and creative and different. Something you definitely can't wear every day. Just something a little different. If you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. First, I'm going to take the yellow and the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, the shade No Joke. I'm just going to put it in my crease. Building that color up. Next, I'm gonna go in with a shimmery yellow. I am using Sunburst from the Jouer Tan Lines palette. I'm just gonna take that over that yellow we just did, down the middle. I'm using the same brush I used when I did the first yellow in the crease. Doesn't have to be neat, it can be sloppy, because we're gonna clean it up later. Next, I'm gonna take a lime green. Any lime green would work. I'm gonna use the lime green in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take that green and put it in the inner corner. And taking it up into the crease over top of that yellow we just did. And on the outer portion of the eye. Blending up into the yellow. Leaving that center. Like so. Leaving the center yellow. I went ahead and did my base off camera. Next, I'm gonna go back into that shimmery yellow that we used for the center of the lid. And I'm gonna take that down. I'm gonna take that down to the inner corner. Right like that. Next, I'm gonna take that green color that we used earlier for the outside, here and here. Next, I'm gonna take that green color we used earlier, and I'm gonna take it from the outside and bring it all the way under the lash line. Doesn't really matter how messy it is, because we're gonna have some fun with this green later. Next, we're gonna take a green eyeliner, if you have a green eyeliner, or a small brush like this. Spray it with some water, setting spray or whatever, and you can go into an eyeshadow. Just gonna use the same green we used and go in the inner corner. The waterline. Next, I'm going to take a bronzer. I'm using the Wander Beauty Trip for Two bronzer, like this. And we are going to contour. And just a little. After the contouring's done, we're gonna take that green shade again. We're gonna put that green shade on a fluffy brush. Just a fluffy brush like this. Take a little bit. We're gonna take the green from here and we're gonna put it as a highlight. Just like this, but making it connect to the eyeshadow on the eye. We're gonna even bring it up a bit. Kind of like it exploded off your eyelid. Just gonna do that. And we're gonna blend it out as good as we can. Just like that. We're gonna take that outside green that's on the lid all the way up to your brow. So it kind of meets with the green that you have up here. And to make that green even more glowing, we're gonna take a highlight. I am gonna use the Jaclyn Hill highlight in Extra. We're just gonna go over that green that's on the face. So it's super glowy. You can take a light blush and lightly go over the apples of your cheeks and kind of blend into that green highlight that we have going on. Next, we're gonna take some liner. I'm using the Hank & Henry liner, and we're just gonna line very close to the lash line on the lids. You can do a wing if you want, but I'm gonna not do a wing just because there's already so much going on. Next, I'm gonna take the lash glue. I'm using the Duo 2-in-1 brush on. The lash glue I hate because that's all I got right now. And I'm gonna put that on my lash line. Next, I'm gonna take my mascara. I'm using the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. I'm just gonna coat that lash. Next, I'm gonna take my lashes and then add them. Like that. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with a gloss. I'm gonna use the NYX Candy Slick glowy lip color in the shade Sugar Coated Kisses. Next, you can take the highlight that you used and just highlight your Cupid's bow, your nose, maybe a little bit of your brow. Depends how glowy you like your look to be. And that's it. You're all done. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And if you have any suggestions on anything else you want me to do, leave a comment down below. Bye.